There are some locations in Porto that must be seen even on a brief visit. Many visitors claim that this city has a mystical quality that is challenging to describe and that changes depending on the location, the time of day and the light. Whatever it is, it undoubtedly has something to do with the region's people, who are renowned for being kind and laid back, as well as the river Douro and the heritage found along its banks, including the bridges and monuments, tiles, flowering balconies and shopping streets. The port wine lodges are situated along the Gaia side of the river Douro, which is where Porto's historical center is located. The tile-lined atrium of São Bento station makes a great place to start. Not to be missed is the cathedral up ahead, whose grounds provide the first glimpse of the river, the tumbling houses and the opposing bank. From there you can descend using steps an old street to reach Ribeira, which has cafe terraces and charming nooks. Before embarking on a cruise beneath Porto's 6 bridges, it is worthwhile to linger a little to get a feel for the neighborhood and take in the river with the Dom Luís Bridge and the opposing bank. You should visit the Church of San Francisco's gold-trimmed interior after viewing the outline of the church towers and cascading houses. Visit the Palacio da Bolsa in the neighborhood to see more monuments and churches with tile facades. One of them is being former Stock Exchange Palace. For a trip to Foz, the mouth of the Douro, where you can stroll and breathe in the sea air, the tram departs from the riverside. This is where Avenida de Boa Vista begins, and Serralves, with its exhibitions of contemporary art and gardens where you can stroll or relax, is close by. The museum is the creation of Ivaro Cisa Vieira, a renowned architect and Pritzker Prize winner from the Porto School of Architecture. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. On Avenida da Boa Vista, a popular shopping district, is the impressive Casa da Música, with its full calendar of cultural events. Avenida dos Aliados is surrounded by reputable stores. Between them are the Soares dos Reis Museum and the Crystal Palace Gardens, which offer yet another expansive view of the river. Cordoaria is a sculpture-filled garden that is surrounded by churches and other historical landmarks. The Clérigos Tower climb is worthwhile for a different perspective of Porto. After passing the shops and Art Nouveau structures, keep walking in the direction of Aliados. It is worthwhile to stroll along the pedestrian-only Rua de Santa Catarina for additional shopping after exploring this large avenue. Then take a break by stopping by Café Majestic. The south side of the river still has to be visited in order to visit a port wine lodge and sample some port in its distinctive environment. You can reach them from Ribeira by crossing the Dom Luís footbridge. Gaia offers one of the most breathtaking views of Porto. The chairlift which follows this side of the river is another option. On this side of the river there is a nice choice for dining, but Riviera and Foz, which have both lovely views of the sea, are also teeming with restaurants and cafe terraces. The food in Portugal is usually a hit with visitors, but in Porto and northern Portugal this is especially true. In any restaurant, from the best to the most well-known, you can count on a delicious dinner paired with exquisite Douro wines or the local fresh Vinho Verde.